Hey everybody, NBC5 weather forecaster Brigham Harris here. I'm excited to talk a little bit about the weather. First, let's talk a little bit about what is up in the sky right now, and welcome to another episode of Brigham making things out of clouds in the sky. Today, I think that this one looks like a football. Maybe it's because the Super Bowl is in a week from today, but it's just got a perfect football shape there. Look, you've even got the laces up here. I don't know, I got sports on the mind, maybe that's why. But if you look, we see a lot of clouds amassing along the Pacific coast. If we look, take a closer look, we'll see exactly what that's doing to our area. If you've stepped outside today, you probably noticed a lot of on and off weather, meaning cloud cover, and then it's sunny and a little bit of rain, and then it's clear skies. That's kind of what we're going to be seeing over the course of this next week. Although it does look like there's a lot of precipitation in our area. That means, you know, it has been pretty widespread in the southern westernmost part of our state and in Northern California. So we are going to be seeing some precipitation in some areas. This is the last 24 hours, and no surprise, it looks like Crescent City, Brookings is getting the most of it as predicted, as well as Grants Pass actually got over an inch of snow, and we are going to be having some more rain and snow in our future here in these next couple of days. If we take a look at our pinpoint forecast, this is what we have to expect. As far as tomorrow morning goes, still pretty much the same story, some patchy cloud cover all around the area, but Brookings, Crescent City, and along the coast there, North Bend, getting a good amount of rainfall. And as we make our way into Monday afternoon, that's when the snow starts showing up. So Mount Ashland, Mount Shasta should be getting quite a bit, as well as Crater Lake there just north of Klamath Falls, you can see. And then as we move forward, this is Tuesday, right around midnight, we'll see it start to be more sparingly, so it's not going to be quite as dense, and then we see a lot of dense cloud cover, maybe some fog coming into early Tuesday morning, and some scattered snow showers for the most elevated parts of the area. So we're looking at mountaintops, Mount Shasta, we're looking at Mount Ashland, we're looking at Crater Lake, those very high elevation areas, and then very eastern part of the state should be getting some rainfall as well. Over the next 48 hours is what you have to expect as far as rainfall forecast. This is 2.5 to 4 inches just in the first coming hours of this 2-day period. Then we move forward to Tuesday afternoon. Looks like quite a bit of rain along the coast there, as we've been experiencing, but even more is on its way. And where we're not seeing rainfall, we're seeing snowfall. So in the next 48 hours as well, kind of the same story down here. Mount Shasta should be getting the most of it, as well as Crater Lake and Mount Ashland, which is good news. The snow level is going to be moving from 4,500 feet to 5,500 feet over the next few days. So good news for Mount Ashland. The summit, I believe, is 6,700 feet. So there should be still a good chance of some snowfall up at the mountain there. So let's take a look at our watches and warnings. They're the same as they were the past couple of days, and it's really something we want to make sure that we talk about, because there's a flood watch all along the Oregon and California coast there, strictly just in our area, and it's all aerial, meaning that there's a lot of rain coming our way, which gives the chance for possible flooding. Other than that, there's a high wind warning for much of our area. That's most of Lake and most of Klamath County, as well as some of Modoc County down there, and then a winter storm warning for Siskiyou County. That just means, you know, be very careful when out on the roads. Roads could be slippery, visibility could be low, so just be very careful when you are commuting to work tomorrow morning. Now, tonight and tomorrow along the coast, expect some rain tonight and some rain tomorrow. Not a whole lot changing there here in the next 48 hours, just expect quite a bit of wetness in the air. West Valley should be pretty clear tonight, not a whole lot of rain, but tomorrow, along with some blowing winds, gusts, up to 35 miles per hour. Mixed with that rain could cause for also some visibility issues. Cascades, this is what you can expect. Maybe a little bit of rain and snow mixture as you are at a higher elevation, and it does tend to get colder out there. Rogue Valley is what you can expect the next 7 days. Actually, pretty good chances of sunshine after Wednesday. We are going to be getting some precipitation tomorrow and Tuesday, but throughout the week, you'll see this trend continue for the Klamath Basin right there. See, temperatures do dip as the sun does start to burn off the clouds. You'll see that trend continue. Northern California, same thing. A little precipitation tomorrow and Tuesday, but then we get some pretty sunny skies in the coast. Pretty much the same thing. Again, Saturday is supposed to be a beautiful day, high of 55, best day of the week. Make sure you get out and do something out on the water, because it's going to be sunny and beautiful.